All right, we've been through and picked apart a song and actually had a look at what guitar lessons online that we've got actually link through to a song. So the main point I really want you to take here is that if you're looking at lessons, make sure you're learning some skills that you can use to write your own songs. And I really push you to write your own music. And it'll be rough at first. It doesn't matter. That's actually fantastic. And I think most people will appreciate the fact that you're actually having a go at doing your own stuff rather than just punching out covers. Okay? So, really what I want you to do from here, pick up what lessons you've got and actually have a look at it and go, all right, so I've learnt these. What can I do with it? How can I put these things together? Pull out your phone, use the recorder on it and start layering a couple of things together. It doesn't need to be complex. Now, I know I've showcased some pretty advanced lessons here, but that's because, I really think that it's good to see what you can do. What we're going to do in the following up on this series, we're going to start right down low at the level 1 and 2 and actually start to put together some melodies and pieces and really build that up. And yeah, we'll focus a bit more on the actual songwriting. Now, if you're not from 7 Minute Music and you're just visiting in from outside, checking this out, do have a look at the courses. There's a heap of great stuff there. It's all skills-based. Don't really do cover songs, bits and pieces. So check that out. But if you're not keen to do the paywall, look, it's there because I hate advertising. So no advertising on the site. But yeah, costs a couple of dollars. If you're not keen for that, jump onto YouTube, jump onto Facebook, check out, there's heaps of really good guitar teachers. You just got to filter through a lot of stuff out there. Look for the skills, pick up the skills. Don't just do songs. Please do that. What we need is more songwriters and more great new music. Look, we're going to leave it there and I'll see you next time.